and sketch and 3D modeling and testing a strange stroller attachment that could lock onto his wheelchair. They loaded it
Ayan
into
guys,
the box
itsura
because
ng
they failed a
bracelet.
baby
Ayan
to get
siya.
hurt. Then, just weeks
Bali,
after
ganyan
Phoenix
yung
was born,
itsura
Jeremy
niya.
rolled outside with
And
his son attached to a
ayan
wheelchair.
guys,
Later he said,
itsura
"I can
na
take
lang
my son
yan.
for a walk like
Ayan,
any other
tuturuan
day."
ko kayo
These students
paano
saw a father in a
gumawa.
wheelchair.
Ganito. Ipit lang kasi ginamit ko dito. Okay. Yung dito naman guys, beads. Kasi madami akong beads. Ito guys lang yung ginamit ko dito.
Brand new in Minecraft. The upcoming drop, Minecraft is adding abandoned camps that can spawn and almost impossible. These camps are made from old nets supported by
Okay guys, ilalabas na natin.
And honestly, it doesn't always look very good.
Mamaya tayo muna ha. Wala na. So, gagayahin lang natin ito. Okay, patong natin siya dito syempre.
It acts like in a brand new in Minecraft. In the upcoming drop,
A small-town pharmacist had run the same corner store for 30 years. Every month, an elderly woman would come in for a bag full of medication she couldn't remotely afford. The first time she came up short, he quietly covered the difference and told her insurance had handled it. Then he did it again the next month, and the month after that. For 6 years, he paid out of his own pocket without ever telling a soul, watching her health slowly stabilize, watching her color come back. When she passed away,
Una guys, itong ipit na to, iganto nyo.
9 years later, a predatory
Ganto
pharmaceutical
nyo,
chain
okay,
had bought out every
ganto
competing
nyo.
pharmacy in the county and was now filing a
Ganto.
coordinated legal campaign to
Parang
revoke his operating license over a minor documentation technicality. He couldn't afford the lawyers to fight. His store was weeks away from being forced to close.
maglagay kayo
Then his lawyer called with
ng
news that an anonymous donor had
ito.
covered all of his legal
Ayan.
fees in full. He never learned
Huwag nyo
the
nang
name. 2 weeks later, a
ipapait.
handwritten letter
Ipapasok
arrived
nyo
with
na
no
kaagad
return
dito.
address. He simply said that her mother
Para
had lived
yan yung
6 years
magiging
longer than any doctor
itsura
had
niya.
predicted. The letter was signed by
So,
the dog.
hintayin
She
nyo
had spent
lang
the
guys.
previous decade quietly
Magpamagicpit
becoming one
lang
of the most powerful healthcare
gagawin.
attorneys in the state, and she had not.
Boom.
A small-town pharmacist had
Gaganin ko guys. Okay. Hintay lang.
good boy. Aww.
So, eto guys, yung nagawa natin. And, pareho ba guys? Di ba pareho naman? Kaso, ito lang yung hindi magkapareho kasi yung dito niya puro purple. Ito, yellow, orange, ay, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Kaya, hindi siya magkapareho. So, kung nagustuhan nyo guys. Wala. Guys, like nyo to ha. Like nyo guys. To guys. Bye guys. Yun lang guys. Bye bye guys.